And we're here this morning at Bungarraby for the start of the B2B Bash. So we've got 10 days of driving in the outback of Australia ahead of us, and I hope you're along for the ride.
We're the Super Mario Brothers. Mario, Luigi, and he's the evil one, Wario.
Hi, this is Batman and this is my Batmobile, and we can't wait to see the kids, visit them throughout the outback and say g'day and give them all the equipment they need.
Yay!
If I could see
Hugh and Dean, preceded by 161. K9 just slipped in there, as they always do.
brothers are.
Woohoo!
Oh, there you go.
Thank you for coming to Crookwell, thank you for coming to the Upper Lachlan Shire, and thank you for supporting our wonderful Crookwell School.
And on behalf of Variety, the Children's Charity, and all the bashers here today having this gorgeous lunch, we'd like you to accept this certificate on behalf and put that on the wall so you remember we were here. It took us a while to get here, Michael, but we're here.
Hey, my one alone in the hand rolling the ball. Ready, go! Back door, both sides, right?
All right, thanks for having us. A great big hand for the PNC.
Well, here we are in day 2 of the Variety Bash. Bit of an experience yesterday, dodging potholes, nice road, bit of rain to make it exciting.
Today's yellow day. Every day is yellow day for us.
Happy Yellow Day!
Happy Yellow Day! So after about 3 years of planning, we finally have got the Variety Bash here. We're very, very excited. It's like Christmas for the children.
Well, we've got a little bit of a mechanical problem here where the car's decided that we've had a failure to proceed event, so we're just checking out what might be the problem.
Three, four, five, six.
Hey guys, it's Rara and Woody, car 1268 out of bounds. We left Griffith this morning and we're now in Ivanhoe at the local school here. Total school population is probably under 20, and we had a very, very good, clean, smooth run in. It was a beautiful dirt road. It was easy morning. Looking forward to the afternoon.
We also have a box of tea bags somewhere, and they come from Car 57, who are not with us, but have been sending it through. And it's a box of Nerida tea bags, and that comes to you without
No strings attached. Morning, it is somewhere.
It's day 4 and we're on the way to Bourke. Yay! Where are they? I don't know.
And we're at Wilkenya for a photo shoot. Car's running beautifully, as always.
It's day 4 of the bash and we're heading to Bourke.
That's all right, that's all right.
South Sydney. Yeah.
And they told me there's a warrant out for your arrest.
Can you bring that chair up here? But I think that's the first time that evidence has ever been produced. How are you going to defend that in a court of law? Never.
We're at the Burke Primary School on day 5, and we're just here to present some awards and to give some donations out for the kids, and hopefully everyone will be fine about it. We'll have a good day. We're having breakfast at the moment. It's beautiful. Volunteers have been great. Going to Colomulla today, end up in Colomulla.
This is what we call Johnny Cakes. It's Indigenous food. It's like the naan bread, but it's better than naan.
Well, we're just about to cross into Queensland from New South Wales in the town of Hungerford.
This is by far the most interesting petrol station I've ever seen.
Good morning, today it's Onesie Day and we're here and we're little devils. We've got tails and we've got little devil horns and we're here at this beautiful Cunnamulla school.
Practical driving footwear, and it's actually quite comfortable and warm.
Hi, I'm Lacey McCormack and we are here at Cunnamulla Peter 12 State School. This has been in the works for a number of years now. Unfortunately, COVID has meant that we've had to put this event off, but thankfully 2022 has allowed us to successfully pull this off.
Good morning, I'm Rachel. I'm the president of the P&C. This is what our sausages looks like, and this is our savoury mince.
Lucky it's your sister. It certainly will be put to good use here at Quilpie State College. I'd also like to acknowledge our wonderful P&C. They're a small but mighty group and they've taken care of all of the food today, so give them a big round of applause.
I've brought my granddaughter this year and she's absolutely loving it. All she's done is talk about getting a bash car. She even knows what she wants to be. And my son-in-law, they're just having a ball. They're loving it. So we're trying to get the young people in because we're all getting older, you know, but the young people are coming on and she thinks it's wonderful. So she's going to tell a lot of her younger people, yeah.
My faithful lonely pal, I fall home.
I knew the variety band.
Hi, good morning. We are here at Charleville State School and we are welcoming the Variety Bash of 2022. We are feeding the guys with the cars and they are here to donate to us an amazing amount of sporting equipment that will benefit our school in such amazing ways.
G'day, it's Batman here, and today's day 7 of the Variety B2B Bash. Today we're at Charleville State School. We just landed in the Batcopter, and today we're going to finish at Roma.
Just making a quick morning tea stop, morning coffee spot on the road to Roma.
That's very good.
Yeah, that'll do.
I can't get the forearm.
Hello, we are at the place called the Mitchell, you know, the tea. Everyone happy, have the drink at the bar, thank you.
Well, I'm Annie Oakley.
Joe's got your checkbook out.
Piss off, mate. Piss off, mate. We're busy.
It's day 8 on the bash, and we're here in Roma at the Outback Garage, I think it's called, looking at some longhorns, and what a fabulous place for breakfast. The sun's shining, so apparently the bash route's open today, so we should be back onto some good bash roads. And we're heading to, where are we going tonight? Carcow for lunch.
This is Tex. He was bred and born in Charters Towers. He came down here when he was 7 months old. Now he's 5.
Car's route by one to the Sharkies. We're going to pull over to the right hand side. If you just pass it on the left, so the camera crew can get some shots of you going through.
I'm brushing my teeth, I didn't get time this morning. We're heading to Rockhampton. So we've been on the tar this morning. We're all hoping to get on the dirt a little bit.
My most memorable was Catherine Gorge. We had Ian Moss on the bash, and we went up the river on the boats, and we had to come back, and all dinner was set up on the edge of the gorge, and Ian Moss just sat there and sang to us all night.
Got a grid coming up in 2Ks.
The water decided that it didn't want us to go any further.
We left Roma and we've headed to Krakow for lunch. We're on our way to Rockhampton tonight as we head closer to the coast.
We've had a wheelbarrowing going on 161 and we've pulled up alongside to help them. Just shows that everyone stops and helps each other, and it's real camaraderie of the bash. And people join, and then they're going home and tell their friends what they did. Next thing they come along with us.
Really exciting to have the Variety Club Bash come to the Hall State School today. It's giving the kids an opportunity that they don't often have to be able to see the cars, experience all of these people, and the Variety Club has donated up to about $5,000 worth of resources that are really needed for our kids. Some wonderful sporting resources and some technology for our children today. So we've put on a big breakfast and we hope everybody enjoys it.
All good, Kevin?
Yeah, mate. All good.
What are you doing there?
Oh, just the mud flaps come off.
Michael, why is Kevin doing all the work?
Oh, because I've got a bad knee. I had a total knee operation about 5 weeks before I came here.
Mackay, we're going to Mackay. We're nearly there after 14 days bashing. Yeehaw!
Don't touch my sister!
Hit the tiger!
Les here from Team Toshiba. It's our final day of the bash today and we're all getting ready to go into town and do a parade through Mackay and then gather at the showground. As usual, it's the worst day on the bash is always better than the best day in the office, and we've all had a wonderful time. Thanks again, Stewie, thanks again, Variety, and thanks to all the kids of Australia who will benefit from all the generosity of donations and everything that have been made for this bash.
Job done.
Feeling great. We just finished the bash. This is number 16.
We're all waiting for Marie Harris. We're all waiting for Marie Harris.
And it's shorts weather. I mean, with legs like this, you know. I mean, well, except Gus, of course, you know.
Son, yeah, fabulous. We've all made it. All the little sons and the son S's and the little budgies. Yeah, we had a great time.
The people that make it, you know, like it's just people make the event. As everybody knows, we say it, it's 11 months of hard work, earning your money and working on your cars to go away on the bash, and the bash itself is a celebration of all that hard work, and it's party time.